Rondo. This one goes out to you, you sorry son of a bitch. Yeah, I'm talking about you. In 2008, Rondo was exciting and new when he had KG. The Truth and Jesus Shuttlesworth too. But now, he can't get past himself. And even when a championship coach tries to hail Rondo, soon he will be with Kobe. We hate Rondo, and in 2 years he'll be out of the league. When things got tough, you tucked your tail and ran. Yeah, he ran away. And Rondo, you're not that good anymore. Your skills are eroding. No one guards you when you are out on the floor. Yeah, Rondo, good riddance, you son of a bitch. Yeah, Rondo, I hate you, Rondo, I hate you.